Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss surds and indices problems which we covered in the which appeared in the previous examinations, in the previous competitive examinations. Let's start our video. The first question appeared in RRB 2008 examination. The question given as if a to the power of x is equals to b, b to the power of y is equals to c, and c to the power of z is equals to a, then the value of x, y, z is, options are given as 0, 1, 1 by abc, a, b, c. We have to find the value of x, y, z. So consider first this one. C to the power of z is equals to a, right? But we know what is c. C is given as b to the power of y. So write down this one, b to the power of y whole to the power of z is equals to a, right? So this can be written as b to the power of y into z, z is equals to a. We know b is equals to a to the power of x. Substitute the value of b here. So a to the power of x to the power y z is equals to a. This can be written as x y z is equals to a. So here we can compare the exponents here, because the base is a here, the base is a here. So we can compare whenever the base are equal, we can equal the exponents, right? So exponent for this a is 0. So xy z, sorry, exponent here is 1, right? Xyz value is 1. So the option is P1. Next we will see the second problem. Look at the second problem. This problem appeared in RRB examination 2005 year. If 3 to the power of 2x minus y is equals to 3 to the power of x plus y, that is equals to square root of 27, then value of y is, has given 4 options. We have to find the value of y. So first of all, you write this one as 3 to the power of 2x minus y is equals to square root of 27, and 3 to the power of x plus y is equals to square root of 27. Here 3 to the power of 2x minus y is equals to, we can write this as 27 whole to the power of 1 by 2, right? 27 we can write 3 to the power of 3. Same here also, 3 to the power of x plus y is equals to 3 cube whole to the power of 1 by 2. 3 to the power of 2x minus y is equals to 3 to the power of 3 by 2. 3 to the power of x plus y is equals to 3 by 2. Here bases are equal, so the exponent should be equal. 2x minus y is equals to 3 by 2 and x plus y is equals to 3 by 2. Consider this one as 1 and this one as 2. Solve equation 1 and 2 for values of x and y. So 2x minus y is equals to 3 by 2, x plus y is equals to 3 by 2. Adding these two gets cancelled. 3x is equals to 6 by 2, right? So x value is 1. Whenever these 3 gets here, x value is 1. Substitute the value of 1 in the equation number 2. 1 plus y is equals to 3 by 2, and y is equals to 3 by 2 minus 1. What is 3 by 2 minus 1? We get y is equals to 3 minus 2 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. Next we will see the third question. The third question is appeared in 2006 year RRB examination. 64x cube is divided by 27, a to the power of minus 3 whole to the power of minus 2 by 3. What is the value of this one? Just simplify this problem, right? 64 can be written as 4 cube x cube is divided by 27 can be written as 3 cube a to the power of minus 3. This whole to the power of minus 2 by 3. We have to find this value. So here this 3 is cancelled here, 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 right? So 4 to the power of minus 2 x to the power of minus 2 is divided by 3 to the power of minus 2 a to the power of minus into minus is plus, right? A square. So here this whole thing can be down here. This one is, if it goes upside, this one become plus. So 3 square by 4 square x square a square. Answer is 9 by 16 a square x square. The answer is C. Yeah, this fourth question appeared in RRB 2007 year examination. The number repeating is 2 and the square is also repeating continuously for 5 times, right? For this one, this kind of problems, you have to remember a formula, that is x to the power of n minus 1 by x to the power of n. This is the simple formula for this question. Here x is the number which is repeating in the question. The number which is repeating in the question is 2. That means the value of x is 2. Just substitute the value of 2 in this formula. 2 to the power of n is the number how many times repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 by x to the power of n is 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32 minus 1 by 32. Answer is 2 to the power of 31 by 32. So answer is D. Now look at the fifth question. This question appeared in RRB 2003 examination. Here what is he has given is, if 3 to the power of x minus y is equals to 27 and 3 to the power of x plus y is equals to 243, then we have to find the value of x. Directly we can see this kind of problem in third question, right? 3 to the power of x minus y is equals to 27. We can write 27 as 3 cube, and here as well x plus y is equals to 243. That means we can write 3 to the power of 5. Here bases are equal, so we have to equal the exponents. That means x minus y is equals to 3 and x plus y is equals to 5. This one is 1. This is the second equation. Equal in the exponent functions, right? Now solve these two equations. X minus y is equals to 3, x plus y is equals to 5. Simply subtract, right? These two get cancelled. We have to find the value of x, right? Just simply add the equations. X minus y is equals to 3, x plus y is equals to 5. These two get cancelled. 2x is equals to 8, so x is equals to 4. The option is C. Now look at the sixth problem. This question appeared in RRB 2006 year examination. We have to find the value of 0.03125 whole to the power of minus 2 by 5. So how do we solve this problem in less than 5 seconds? Just simple, 0.03125 whole to the power of minus 2 by 5. We know 5 to the power of 5 is equals to 25 into 25 into 5. That means 3125. So we can write this as 3125, right? 5 to the power of 5. So 0. This one can be written as 5 to the power of 5. So 0.5 whole to the power of 5. This whole thing can be written as 5 to the power of 5 whole to the power of minus 2 by 5. 5 gets cancelled. 0.5 whole to the power of minus 2. That means 0.5 square. 1 by 0.25. This can be written as 100 by 25 is equals to 4. Answer is 4. Now look at seventh problem. Seventh question appeared in 2008 year examination. He has given cube root of 5 is a third of order. We already know this one is a third. The third is in the form of m square root p, right? So p is the number which is present in the root and m is the order of the third. This one is the order. M is the order of the third. So here 3 is root 5. 3 is the order of this third. So answer is D. Now look at this 8th question. This is the 8th problem. If 27 all to the power of 2 by 3 into 81 to the power of minus 1 by 2 is equals to 3 to the power of n. So what will be the value of n? So we have to find the value of n here. This question appeared in 2009 year RRB examinations. 4 options are given. Simply do one thing. Here the base is 3, right? So convert this 27 and 81 into 3 form, right? So this can be written as 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2 by 3 into 3 to the power of 4 into minus 1 by 2. 3 gets cancelled, 2 square is equals to 3 to the power of n. 3 square into 3 to the power of minus 2 is equals to 3 to the power of n. Here bases are equal, so we can add these two. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 to the power of 0 is equals to 3 to the power of n. Bases are equal, we can equal the exponent. So n value is 0. That's it. Now have a look at this 9th one. The 9th question is like this: 1 by 16 whole to the power of minus 5 by 4 is equals to. So we have to find the value of 1 by 16 whole to the power of minus 5 by 4. This question appeared in RRB 2003 examination. So how we solve this problem? 1 by 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 to the power minus 5 by 4, right? So this goes up, right? 2 to the power of minus 4 whole to the power of minus 5 by 4. 4 get cancelled. 2 to the power of 5 minus plus, right? So 2 to the power of 5 value is 32. Answer is C, 32. Now solve this 10th problem. The final problem for this video, 10th question, the value of, you have to find this value. Just simplify the problem. Root 5. So root can be written as 5 to the power of 5 by 2. This can be written as like this, into 5 to the power of minus 3 by 2 is divided by 5 to the power of minus 2 by 2 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Here bases are equal, so we can add this one, right? 5 to the power of 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 2 gets cancelled to the power of 1, right? So this goes up into 5 to the power 3 by 2. Here also 5 to the power of 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 by 2. That means 2 by 2. That means 1 into 5 whole to the power of 3 by 2. 5 into 5 is here 1, 1. So after adding the exponents, we get 5 square whole to the power of 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, we get 5 to the 5 cube. So the answer is B, 5 cube. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.